Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you the complete Shopify color filters tutorial and how you can add color swatches. So before we begin, first, make sure that you are using a theme that is compatible with the latest updates. So as you can see right here, for example, we have the Dawn theme, but it's on version 13. So make sure that you have this version 12 and above. And the second one here, you need to have the search and discovery app. So if you don't have that application yet, so you just need to click on add apps right here at the bottom left, and then go to Shopify App Store. Then from here on the search box at the top, type right here the application search and discovery app. So just type discovery and then press enter on your keyboard. And basically here you will find the application. So right over here, which has the magnifying glass icon. So click this one. And then once you click the Shopify search and discovery, you will now have to install this to your Shopify. So just click on the install button. Now once you have that app, so open that one and then go to this customize filters. And from here, click on the add filter right there at the top right hand corner. And then from here, you just need to go to the search box and we're going to find the product options right here and then select color right there. And as you can see right here, you can import some of the colors from the variants products or various products. So if some colors were overlap, sometimes they're both the same color. So you can create a group for that particular color. And then once you have all of the values right here, then basically you just have to click on save button. Now, after we added that color, we can now add another option here. So go back and then click add filter. We can also add size, for example, right here, then add size. And again, click on the save button. Now go back to all of the filters here. I'm going to drag the color. So drag this color right here and going up to the top right there. So if you're going back to your store, you may see your color filters. Now the downside of this color filter is that it only works for products that have color variants. So for example, if I'm going to filter the black right here, so as you can see, this is the only product that's going to be visible, that one with the color variants. But it doesn't show you the product that doesn't have the color variant. So to solve that issue, we're going to use MetaFields filter. So if you're new to MetaFields, just go to the product section and then add an extra information about the product. So for example here, if you're going to scroll down, then you will find this MetaFields. So basically, if you click on view all, so all you need to do right here, you just have to click this view definition. Now here on the product MetaFields definitions, you just need to click on this add definition right here at the top right. And then from here on this page, as you can see, I want to name this as color and then select type right here, right? So going to click this select type right from here. And then I'm going to select single line text and then choose this list values or list of values and then click save. Now if we're going to your product page, then at the bottom, you will find MetaField. So go back right here. Again, go back to the product page. As you can see at the bottom, you will find that MetaFields. So go to that color right there. And then we're going to add gray, for example. And then click on save button. So if you go back to search and discovery app, so go to your application right here and then go to search and discovery app right there. So from here, you will basically create our filters. So here, just click customize filters, and we're going to click on add filter. So right from here, you want to go to source and find that color under product meta fields. And as you can see at the bottom, it will automatically post the value gray. And once done, just click on the save button right here at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And then go to the filter label, and I want to name this as color and then meta field. So right here. And once done, just need to click on the save button at the top right. So if you go back to your store, and here you will see the new filter. So right from here, color meta field. And this method is going to work also for a product with color variants. So for example, I'm going to select this product. And then from here, you just go scroll down and find the meta fields. And then from here, just select this color. And I'm going to put all of the colors here. So black, yellow, and gray. So there you have it. And then once done, click on the save button. So if you go back to the website here, so as you can see, you'll find the color filters right here. Now I'm going to show you on how you can add meta object filters right here. So I'm going to go here on settings at the bottom left. And then I'm going to select the custom data. So right here. And then scroll down here until I find this. As you can see here, add definition. And then from here, I want to name this as color. All right, for example, so type right here, color. And then we're going to add 3 fields. So the first field here, I'm going to add a single line text. And then I'm going to name this as name, for example. And then the next one here, right? I'm going to just click on add button. I'm going to add another field. So the next one here is color. So right from here, the color type, and name this as hex code. And then click add again. Now the third field I'm going to add is file, right? And name this as image. And then once done, click on the save button. Now, once you save this one, want to go and add entry. So we're going back right here, right? So go to content, then click on meta objects. And then here, select this one. So this color that we have just created. And then here, we're going to click on add entry right from here. Now, here, I'm going to name this, for example, black. So here in the hex code, you can choose this specific color from the color picker, but I recommend you to use color palettes. So one of the color palettes I'll be using is this material UI colors. So you will then go to this website. So right here, material UI colors. But I'll paste the link at the description box for a few different color palettes that you can basically use. So here, you just have to copy the code here, and then you just have to paste it in the hex code. So once done, I'm going to click on the save button right here at the top right. So I'm going to add a few more colors, and then we can assign these colors to the products. So fast forward, as you can see right here, so we have the list of the colors. Now we're going to create meta fields for products. So instead of just writing the word block, we're going to link the meta object that we have just created. So go to settings right here at the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and then select custom data. Scroll down here, select custom data, and then we're going to select products, and then I'm going to add definition. And here, I want to name this as color filter swatch. So there you have it. And now we're going to select type. So click deselect type and select meta object. So there you have it. And now scroll down here a bit and going to select meta object right here, and then select this color as the reference. And if you have some products with more than one color or with color variants, so we're going to select list of entries. So we can select more than one color for each product, then click save. Now go back to product page. Then you will now have new meta filled color filter swatch. So for example here, if you're going to scroll down, you'll find the color filter swatch. So click on the box right here and then select from your list of colors that you have defined. So right from here, for example, so there you have it. And then click on the save button. So you can also do this to all of the products here. Now the final step before it appears on our website, we're going to create the actual filter using our search and discovery app. So go to search and discovery app. So here, and then we're going to click on add filter. So we're going to wait for a few seconds here, and then click on customize filters and click add filter. Now here on the search box, we're going to find the color filter swatch. So right from here, so right there, so click on that. Then here we have the display options. So we're going to click on this display options. So you will find all the settings that we have just created. As you can see, we have here the label, the name, the swatch color, and also the swatch pattern. So you can basically edit this one. And if you're done, just click on the done button. So finally, you can now click on the save button right here at the bottom right. Right, so now we can now go to our website. And as you can see right here, you'll find your color filter swatch on Dante. So right here, so there you have it. Now on the final stage, I will then show you how the images work for these swatches. So we're going back to the Shopify sidebar and then click on the content. So here, as you can see, you will now select the color. For example, here, I'm going to select this yellow. There you have it. And then we want to show what the yellow is actually looks like. So here I use a screenshot to grab the exact color from the product. Then once done here, just go back to meta object. And then here, just click on select image, and I'm going to upload that image. So right here. And then once done, just check this box right here and then click on done button. So there you have it. So if you're going back to your store, as you can see here, if I zoom in, you will even notice the texture from the image. So same process, you can just do it to all of the color filter swatch right over here. So there you go. So that's how you basically use that color swatches and a complete tutorial about color filters. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.